I want you to join me on this journey as I take on the challenge of growing thyme without seeds. No, I am trying my very best to keep some thyme in my garden because I'm telling you, the seeds that I usually get, they don't germinate. If I have a few sprouts, they don't get very far. And a thyme, after they get to a certain stage, after having them, they're gone, they disappear. Nada. Dry up. Now I want to grow as much thyme as I can because it is one of my main ingredients in cooking. Of course, I want to cut down that cost of purchasing thyme all the time. So yeah, we're going to dive into it.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all as always, and God bless us. God bless you all. Alright, of course, a special welcome to all my new gardening family, my faithfulers. Big up every time. Thank you all so much for the support. Alright, so this thyme that I have right here, I already propagated from what I have right here. So of course I'm going to take you closer and show you exactly how we got here. Alright, so it's a very easy, quick, simple step for you to grow your own thyme at home without seeds. Alright, so inside this container right here, guys, you can see that my thyme, this is the original thyme that you're looking at. It doesn't look so good at all, right? You can see for yourself that this baby wants to bail out on me soon. So these two I did after this one, and what you're seeing here, hold on, let me get another container. Alright, so this is another container that I have right here. So I am going to show you exactly how we got to here, then here. Alright, so let me rest this down for a bit. Alright, so inside here, so you can see this is a stone sticking down right here. So this is actually still attached to the plant. So even though I have this in the container right here, it is still attached to the plant because what? I am waiting for roots to develop. Now, if you look closely, well, you're probably not going to see because they're very fine, very tiny, and I don't want to pull on them because they'll just break off. So right here, this is a little root right here, so right, so what I'm trying to do is to root here while on the plant, and then after I gain enough roots, I'll just clip it off, add more soil to this, and let it continue to grow. All right, so I'm just going to put this back right here and rest the stone. Where's the stone? Oh, let some soil make contact back again. So this is not ready because it doesn't have enough root on it as yet. Alright, so yeah, let that stay there. So that's that. It's the same thing with this. Oh, this piece had broken off. I forgot to take it out at the time. Alright, so this right here is another one that you're looking at, and the very same thing, but I just want to check it to see if any roots start to form or anything. You can see that this one, I did not touch this one. I didn't look at it. I didn't check it before, but I checked this one before, so that is why this one looks more firm and more secure. You can see the soil is literally covering it properly. So I'm just going to do a little pull on it because I want to see if there were any roots forming. Let me just ease up the soil on top there. Yes, there are tiny little roots forming, tiny little roots, but like I said, you won't be able to see them properly. But this is, if you look at my finger right here, this is a little strong root right there hanging off, and there's another little one right there. All right, so I'm just going to put this back, put back the little soil that I took off it, press it down, and put back the stone on top right there. It doesn't have enough roots for me to clip it off the main plant as yet, so I'm trying to get as much from this before the plant actually dies down. So I think I recorded when I was doing this one. I'm going to actually insert the clip right here. I did pull the entire thing out, then I cut it off, snip it off with the scissors like that, and then I planted it. Alright, so next time I don't want to do that. I just want to clip this off, remove the stone, and just backfill around here, fill around here with more soil instead of doing this. So of course, by God's help, I'll be able to share that with you. So now I am going to show you exactly how I did it from scratch. So let me get a little stone and come right back because I'm going to need one. Alright, so I got me a little stone right here. Alright, so this soil that I have right here, I don't believe it is nutrient rich like that. This is just regular garden soil that I'm using, because thyme, they don't need a fertile soil like they can grow in desert like conditions. Alright, so there's no manure added or anything of the sort. Alright, so basically what I did was to search for a piece and put this round just a little. Search for a piece or pieces that actually looks good and has a little length, like these that you're looking at right here. So what I'm going to do is to add this part to the soil. So what I did was to just strip off the leaves from the section that I'm going to use to make contact with the soil. Alright, there we go. Yeah, so I literally clear all the area that I'm going to use to make contact with the soil. Alright, so this is the soil, and all I did was to stuck the part that I cleared in the soil like this, right? Let some of the soil go on top of it as well, and then this is where the stone come in, or the rock. I just kind of just rest it on there like that, a little press but not much, just to ensure that it holds it down for me to the soil. So that's the aim, for it to remain in contact with the soil so that it can root. Let me set it back since I took it up a while ago. Alright, so there we go, and I just leave it there. What I did was to give this about, how long I gave it? About a week and a half before I checked. And then about 2 weeks ago now, I decided that I'm going to clip it off and put it directly in the soil. I'll just leave this right here. I water them daily. Not a lot of water. Yes, just have a little moisture to it where it's not completely dry, but it's not soppy. Alright, so I hope this video was useful to you. Of course, whatever I discover, I will always share it with you. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet